Welcome to Avila Beach, where you'll enjoy one of the friendliest climates on California's Central Coast. Located on the sparkling Pacific right between Los Angeles and San Francisco, you'll experience one of California's greatest getaways, Avila Beach. It's where the fun meets the sun. Bask in our warm, sunny microclimate and take a stroll on our beautiful beaches. Explore our many historic piers. Swim, surf, sail, and kayak the harbor with sea lions, otters, pelicans, and other beautiful creatures abound. In town, you'll find a unique, laid-back seaside village reminiscent of Key West. There are many places to shop, dine, taste wine, and just relax. It's all waiting for you in Avila Beach. You'll find more information by visiting our website, visitavilabeach.com.